Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to install these clip-ins, especially when the curl pattern is not the same as yours, and I'll also show you how to style it two ways. Keep watching guys and I'll be right back. This is the box that I got from Curlsqueen. They sent me this to review, and really the packaging is just very cute. I like the little ribbon on the side. So I'm just going to open this package to show you what comes inside with the hair itself. So as I opened it, I noticed that, they sent a few goodies in there, which is really nice. The first thing is this brush right here. I ended up using this somewhere in the video, but it's a really nice brush and very easy to use. I did get a sleeve cap in there, satin sleeve cap, and then I got some extra clip-ins as well. So this is the 3C4A water jerry curl clip-ins in 16 inches. It's a natural black color which goes with my hair color really well. One thing I noticed is that these are not regular clip-ins. They come with a silicone based weft, so this helps with flatter install, and I really like that because again we don't want that bump when you install these. So this is what it looks like outside of the package, and I'll show you what it looks like after shampoo and conditioning. So here it is. I shampooed and conditioned this hair, and I put it on my mannequin just to dry until the next day. And just to show you for comparison, the video on the right is before shampoo and conditioning. So it does help to stretch the length out and just make those curls to pop a bit more. So here I'm just combing, or rather brushing the hair, so you can see that there's no tangling, and that brush is really helpful. So I just left this till the next day before I installed this hair. So I'm excited. The next day I'm just going to try to install this hair and blend it with my natural hair as best as I can, because my hair is actually 4C. So, but I wanted to try a different curl pattern than what I usually get. So this is my braiding pattern. The back is just 4 straight braids. Doesn't have to be perfect. The front, I did some bantu knots just to get some wavy, curls in there. I don't know how they'll come out, but I just went in and started installing the hair, starting with the longer piece to, I installed that in some sort of U shape, so the bottom could be really flat. I wish I turned around to show you guys what that looked like, but that's basically what I did. And I'll just keep laying these. One thing about clip-ins that I love is that once you install them, you can always take it out and try another length if it works better. Clip-ins are not like sew-ins where you're trying to get it perfect the first time. This one, as you can see, I will be like laying it, trying to figure out, okay, if I put this one here, how many do I have left for the next section? Just play around with it. That's the point of clipping. So I'm going to keep installing this. Keep watching. I will show you the end product. I did 2 styles. I did the half up, half down style, and then I did a center part, which was easier to blend with my hair. So as you can see, that silicone based weft is laying very flat on my head, and that is really helpful. So again, keep watching and I'll show you guys the end products, and I will be right back. thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what your thoughts are about these clip-ins on me. And if you've tried it, let me know down below as well. Follow me and Curlsqueen on Instagram. On my page, I'll basically post the pictures from this hair. But again, let me know what other videos you guys want to see on my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.